Today we are going to see how to export data from MassHunter qualitative software into the form of DataMatrix that can be used later for multivariate data analysis using Simca or using Unscrambler. First of all, we have to open the MassHunter workstation software. After that, we have to select our raw data, like these three files. We open the files, and then we select all of the three files and go to the Method Explorer and find compounds by AutoMSMS. We press this, and here I will limit my search to the largest 10 compounds in every file. And then we run the query, and we make sure that all of the three samples are selected. Now all compounds in the three chromatograms have been selected, so I highlight all of these compounds and right click, and here I will generate formula from compounds. Now I have formulas generated for some of the compounds in my list, and I need now to export them in the form of CSV files. So I press File, and then I go to Export as Compound Summary using CSV. And when I press OK, I select all of my files here, and here I make sure that I selected the folder to which the files are to be exported. And then I press OK. When I go back to the folder, I will find that I have now three CSV files representing the three chromatograms. And now I have to combine all these files into one file in order to be further processed. So I will get this link. This link is a link of a web page in which you can find a script. These scripts can help you to create a command file to combine all the CSV files, like here, like what I am going to do now. Now I go to my browser and paste the link, and here I go to this part and take the script as copy and paste. Copy. Then I paste this script into a text file. I open a new text file and paste the script, and here I will save the file as the following format. I will save it as run.cmd and press save, and I will close this. Now I have my run file. So when I right click to it and run as administrator, it will execute the transcript and generate a combined CSV file which contains data from all of the above files, CSV files. So I open the combined file here. I enlarge it. You will find that this file contains data from all of the three chromatograms. So I remove the header row of the second and third file, and also I have to remove this. Now I have the data of all files combined, so I rename this as raw data. And then I start to insert a pivot table. First, I select the whole sheet, and then I start a pivot table. So the pivot table will select all the data contained. I select that the pivot table will be executed in a new worksheet and then press OK. Now this sheet represents the pivot table, which I will utilize to create my data matrix. So I will search for the sample name and drag it into the row labels. I have sample 2, 3 and 4. I also search for the molecular formula generated, and I find it and I get it into the column label. And finally I search for the abundance, and here I get the abundance into the values, and here I will press this arrow to select value field setting and replace the count of abundance by sum of abundance to get the values like this. Now I will close this file and I will select the whole worksheet, right click, I will copy the values and create a new worksheet, and then I will paste special paste just the values of the table. So I will get the values now. Here I will trim this part, and also I will remove this part related to blank and grand total. I don't need it. And same for the rows, I will remove the grand total here. And here I get my data matrix. It is composed of samples in rows and molecular formulas in columns. Here I have also to remove blanks. But to make a data matrix in an appropriate way, we have to document percent abundance, not just the absolute abundance. So we will make a summation column here by inserting this formula, sum, and take the values of the whole row, and I will drag this formula for the other two rows like this. And in order to obtain the relative abundance, I have to replicate this samples below, and here I will insert a new formula which equals this field over total field multiplied by 100, and here before the total sign I add $. Now I drag this formula like this and drag it also for rows like this, and I get now the percent abundance of each molecular formula within each sample as present. Now I am going to remove now I am going to change the format of the cells like copying, and then I paste special and paste just the values to fix the values. And now I will remove the last column related to total number, and I will remove also the total abundance values. And finally here we have the relative abundance values contained in a table which contains samples arranged on rows and molecular formula as our attributes arranged in columns. And this form of data matrix can be readily used for multivariate analysis using whatever software you choose. Hope you have benefited from this information, and thank you for listening and watching.